Hello friends, today let us understand the meaning of the word continuous improvement and continual improvement, which are a foundational concept in a variety of project management philosophies like Lean, Agile, Six Sigma, and Total Quality Management. The examples which I have picked up to explain these keywords are just a reference to portray in a layman's language, and these references are mostly picked from animal kingdom, which will give us an opportunity to relate the behavior or the patterns. So let us first look at the term continuous improvement, which means never ending or keep going. And so, in this context of never ending and keep going, let us ponder on and remind ourselves, why does a deer runs fast every day than the previous day? So, as per research studies and observation, deer have developed the means to run fast as a way to escape its predators. Even a slightest of a twig snapping breaks them into sprint and make them to disappear in a moment. The only motivation which deer has to be at its best every next day is its survival for that day. Further, the research studies have proved that the deer have a greater proportion of type 2 muscle fibers than human and many other animals. As a result, they are capable of greater burst of speed, which enables them to run so fast. Now, using the similar analogy from the example of a deer, let us understand what is continuous improvement in view of the product, process, or services. So, here, continuous improvement is defined as an uninterrupted flow of improvement. This improvement can be of any segment or domain pertaining to product, process, or services. Continuous improvement helps to stay ahead of the competition by encouraging the teams to constantly explore new ways to improve the process, product, or services. Thus, by making small changes, teams can test out new ideas quickly and cost effectively to see if they are worth pursuing. Continuous improvement is a dedication to make small changes and improvements every day, with the exception that those small improvements will add up to something more significant. So, friends, are we able to relate this to the example of the deer who aspires to run fast every day than the previous day? Let us now look at the term continual improvement, which means start and stop. In this context of start and stop, let us ponder on and remind ourselves, why does a hare leaps into speed and runs in a zigzag fashion before it becomes exhausted? Hare are swift animals and can run at a great speed over short distances. In general, a hare can run for several miles at high speed before it becomes exhausted and stop to catch up its breath. Hare outmaneuvers its predators by using its agility and quick reflexes to change direction suddenly and makes it difficult for the predator to catch it. Though hare are swift animals and has the ability to change direction while running fast, but it stops after a short burst of speed to catch up on its breath, which may resonate similar to start and stop or start and pause. Using the similar analogy from the example of a hare, let us understand continual improvement in view of product, processes, and services. So, the continual improvement is a phased approach of improvement with pauses between each improvement cycle. Continual improvement seeks the incremental improvement approach over time or the breakthrough improvement all at once. So, friends, are we able to relate the keyword continual improvement to the example of hare who bursts into speed and outmaneuvers its predators by using its agility and pauses or stops to reflect and relax? Friends, I hope you find this information helpful, which is an effort to relate keywords like continuous improvement and continual improvement that acts as a foundational concept in a variety of project management philosophies.